Hello and welcome. In today's class, we'll see how we can write a Java program to read a text file, to read the content of the text file, and then display it on the screen. So in my home folder, I have created a text file and I have saved few names in this text file. And then I'll be writing a Java program to read these names from this text file. So in the same location, I'll have to create my Java program as well. So as you can see, I have created a file input from textfile.java. So we start with the import statement. Then we create the class. And then we create the main function. And because we'll be using certain classes from java.io package, which may raise IO exception. So we need to write over here, throws IO exception as a warning. Otherwise, we won't be able to compile our program. Now, we start with a try block. And inside this try block, we create the file reader object. And in the constructor of the file reader object, we pass the file name. So our file name was myfile.txt. So this object will help us connect our program with the text file. Next, we create a buffered reader object. And we connect it with the file reader object. So buffered reader is used for efficiency. And now we create a string variable name and initially keep it empty because till now we have not read any names from our text file. So initially it is empty. And while name equals, now we'll be using the buffered reader object br dot readline. So buffered reader has a readline function. This function allows us to read one line at a time from the text file. And that string, that one line of string is getting stored in the name variable. And we don't know how many names are there. That's why we say that as long as this is not equal to null. Because the read line, if it doesn't find any more content, it will return null. But as long as it finds contents, it will keep returning that line of string and it will keep getting stored in the name variable. Otherwise, when there is no content remaining, then read line will return null and this while loop will automatically stop. So we are only going to print this name on the screen. And once we have completed our task, we can first of all close the most recently created object buffered reader and then the file reader. And this try will have a catch block. File not found exception E. And here we can print a suitable message. File not found. So in case the file that you're trying to open is not available, then Java will raise file not found exception, and then it is getting handled over here in the catch block, because the object with those details, error details, it will be thrown and it will be caught in this catch block, and it will print this message, file not found. So that's the program. Let's save and check the output. So we execute the program, and you can see we are getting all those names from the text file displayed on the screen. So this is how you can write Java programs to read from a text file. I hope you have understood this program. This is a part of ISC Computer Science Class 11 syllabus. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next class.